Good morning, everyone, and welcome back to the Suburban Homestead. As spring rolls around, the first thing we start thinking about doing, planting the gardens, right? Today, we're going to talk about 3 tips to grow better tomatoes. Okay, with still being new to YouTube content creation, I've got to be honest with you, it was almost too late before I actually thought about making this video. So, the 3 tips that I'm going to share with you, one of them is about two of them about the soil, one of them is about the plant itself. So this is what I like to use to amend my soil. I use Epsom salt and the Job's organic fertilizer. I use compost, and this is a little Cherokee purple seedling that I got from my local, where did I get that? My producer's co-op. So here we go. Let's take a look at what I do for the soil and then what I do for the plant itself. So there you have it. 3 easy tips to help you plant better in the spring to yield better results in the summer. Number 1, plant it in compost. Tomatoes love compost. Number 2, amend your soil, and don't forget the Epsom salt. That magnesium sulfate in the Epsom salt will really help you produce good, strong plants that yield good, strong fruits. And number 3, plant it deep. Those roots will go out from the stem. You'll have a good, strong plant that's capable of producing good fruit for you. All right? If you like the content, give me a thumbs up. Leave a comment down below on things that have helped you plant in the spring and yield better results in the summer. That's all I've got for today. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next video.